What's going on, everybody? I hope y'all doing well today. Hey, my day started out great. I was eating breakfast with some friends and my wife and I were coming home and I said, we have got to stop at the store. I have got to get me some cauliflower. That's something I would have never said 10 years ago, but stick around and I'll show you the magic that happened with that cauliflower. So today I'm making a little tenderloin there, a little pork tenderloin, and got it in my new air fryer. Still trying this thing out. I'll be doing a review on this in the near future. And I'm using my smart thermometer in there as well, my Chef IQ thermometer, to give me the correct temperature. Here's the problem. While that's cooking, I'm sitting here thinking, what can I have as a side? Today, we're going to show you an awesome side. All right, friends, it don't get much easier than this right here. Just a little backstory before I start though. When I first started my low carb keto journey, Green Giant used to make a cauliflower mix, and I really liked it a lot. That was my first introduction to eating cauliflower, and so I got to eating that a little bit, and they changed the recipe somewhere down the road, and I don't like it as much. But my wife, she can do mashed cauliflower using a whole head of cauliflower, and then she uses the regular size food processor and blends it all up really nice, and she makes an excellent one too. So I got jealous of hers and I wanted to try my own, and I want to do it fast and easy without lugging out the old food processor and all that stuff. So here's the ingredients and I'll show you how we do it. Right here, this stuff right here, I'm sure whatever brand you have close to you, this is ready to steam in the bag, or you can steam your cauliflower however you want. This is 12 ounces. And then from that, we've got just some sour cream. You're gonna put 1 tablespoon of that. And we've got some, this here makes it good now, the onion and chives, and I've tried the jalapeno as well. Put a tablespoon of this in it. And then good old butter, gotta have the butter. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of that in it whenever it's done, and then of course salt and pepper. And for cauliflower, it always takes a little bit more than what you think, but I've got about a half a teaspoon of each. So what we're gonna do is put this in the microwave. My tenderloin's done, so I'm gonna hurry up through this. I can make this in less than 10 minutes. So let's get it going. So this just come out of the microwave. It's been in there for 6 minutes. Steamed up. I cut the end off. Be careful, because this bad boy is hot when you take it out. It will burn you in a heartbeat. And I've added all my ingredients into my little cup here for the mixer. So now this cup won't hold that whole bag, so I'm gonna put half in here, blend it, and then put the other half. So let's see how it works out here. Like I said, that's hot. If you don't have one of these are a cool little tool to have. But if you can always use your food processor or whatever, but this here is just a whole lot easier to clean, and it does a quick job too. So here we go. Got to break it in first. All right, so we got it chopped down to a little bit. Now let's add the rest of it and finish blending it all up. Now you can see how fast this is going. So here we finish it up. Hey, if you're interested in a keto, low carb lifestyle, let me invite you to subscribe, ring the bell and all that good stuff, like the video. I normally try to do stuff that's real simple and easy. And I appreciate you watching today, and we'll carry on with the video. I like to tap it off the sides there to get it one more hit. mashed potatoes. Excuse me, mashed cauliflower. Now I'm telling you, let's go put this on a plate with dinner and see how it looks. That smells incredible. And you could chop bacon up in there. I'll put your little bacon in with it. But it's good just like this. So I'm gonna go and prepare a plate for my wife and myself, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, here's our little tenderloin. Still got my probe in there. Done an excellent job today. Told me when I was at the right temperature, so I'm gonna get that out. And then I'm gonna slice this up. It's still a little hot, so I'm gonna wear a glove to provide a little insulation. But we're gonna dice this up really nice. Man, this stuff is so good. Old little pork on the plate. And the best thing about it is I have some mashed potatoes to go with it today. I'm cutting these pretty thick because I'm hungry and want to get it on the table. All right, there's that. Pork and potatoes. Man, before I was on keto, it was all about meat and potatoes. Guess what? Still about the meat, just no potatoes. Great substitute though. Let's get this going. My friends, now that is dinner fit for a king or queen. So I'm gonna go enjoy this with my queen and tell myself that's mashed potatoes right there. I'm telling you, you got to try it. It's so easy. You saw me do it. I promise you. Even if you don't like cauliflower, try it out. You might be surprised like I was when I first tried it. But hey, time to eat. Yeah, y'all don't tell my wife, but I'm gonna try a little bite before I go to the table. My goodness. I like that better than mashed potatoes, and I'm not telling you a lie. I'm gonna go eat with my wife. Y'all have a good one. I'm not kidding. That stuff is incredible. The best thing about it is $2 for that bag of cauliflower. Ooh, wow. You can afford that, I know. And plus it helps you stay on your journey. And you can season it with like hot stuff or bacon, or I had onion and chives in mine today. But it gives you a side to go with your keto meal, and that's the big thing. So, hey, until next time, eat that cauliflower, and may the Lord bless you.